Mia's first day of school.
Mia woke up with a big yawn. Today was her very first day of school. She felt excited and just a little nervous. She hugged her teddy bear and whispered,
Teddy, I feel excited, but also a little nervous.
During breakfast, Mia nibbled her food, her tummy feeling twisty with worry. She glanced at Mama, wishing she could come with her to school.
Mama, what if I don't make friends?
Mia asked.
Mama smiled and said,
Be kind and friends will find you.
At the school gate, Mia held Mama's hand tightly. Kids were laughing and playing. Mia's heart beat fast.
I can do this.
She whispered. Mia took a deep breath and felt a spark of courage. She looked back, waved to Mama, and stepped inside with a brave smile. Mia waited outside until a kid said,
Hi, let's go to the classroom.
In the classroom, Mia happily sat beside a girl named Zoe.
Mia, do you want to color with me?
Zoe asked. The teacher greeted both girls.
Hi, girls. Welcome to our class.
Mia and Zoe smiled to their teacher. The two kept coloring, smiling all the while. At recess, Mia laughed and played tag. She made more new friends.
Mama, school was fun. I was nervous, but I was brave.
Mia ran into Mama's arms with the biggest smile. Her worries were gone, replaced with joy and pride. At dinner that night, Mia couldn't stop sharing her fun school day with Mama.
Teddy, it's okay to feel nervous. Trying new things takes courage. And when you're kind and brave, wonderful things can happen.
Hey there, did you have fun learning with us today? If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting learning. By liking our videos, you help us know what you enjoy learning about. And subscribing means you won't miss out on any of our awesome educational content. See you again next time here at Little Scholars Network. Until then, keep curious and keep exploring.